It's exciting running a gallery at Navy Pier. There's people, there's kids, there's families. There's always a lot of energy here.
I'm Dana Todd Pope. I'm co-founder of Women's Live Artist Studio. We feature the artwork of local women artists and makers.
My name is Martha A. Wade. I am an artist, curator, and co-founder of Women's Live Artist Studio. I would say I am the operations manager for the business. The business of art sometimes can be overwhelming for artists who just want to be in their studio and they don't want to think about Excel and creating PowerPoint presentations. I enjoy doing that for them. I like the integration of Microsoft 365. Creating pitch decks are really important so that we can attract donors and just present information in meetings. If I create graphs or I'm tracking certain trends or I'm tracking certain items that are selling more, I love how I can create a graph in Excel and embed it into my PowerPoint.
Word is my most trusted place that I go to build documents. Oh my goodness, what don't I create? I built scripts for pitch competitions. I have built out schedules and planning for different events that we're doing.
I feel like it's part of our job to educate the public on art and on fine art. They're seeing themselves in the art and they're seeing that it could be for them.